Hello guys, I'm Pranali from Robotics. So today we are going to understand the concept of actions in ROS2. Alright, we have talked about the topics and services in the last videos. Now let's meet our third communication type, which is actions. Actions are used for long running tasks. Unlike the services which just take a request and send back one response, actions gives you three things: a goal, what you want done, a feedback which regular updates while it's working, and a result that is the final outcome when it's done. Okay, so big difference from services is that actions can be cancelled halfway. They keep talking to you while they're working. Like telling a robot, go to the that corner of the room. While it's moving, it will tell you, or it can tell you, I'm halfway there. Yes, I'm almost there. I'm arrived. So that's an action. Okay, let's see through visual. There is an action client node and action server node. So this there are three things: goal, feedback, result, as we have discussed. So this will send the request to the goal, then it will return the response to the client. The feedback publisher will publishes the feedback to the feedback topic, and this subscriber will subscribe to that feedback topic to get that response or a feedback. Then for the result service client will request to the result and it will response to the client. Okay, same like we have covered about the services, clients, and publisher, subscriber. So that's all about the actions. There is a goal service which is a request, response, then feedback. So this is how the actions are working. Now let's explore this. Okay, title sim window, then teleop key. Okay, so when I press the keys, arrows normally in the keyboard. So when we run the teleop keyboard and press the key like G, B, V or C, we are actually sending action goals to the turtle sim action server. See the logs here: rotation goal completed successfully or previous goal finish. So before completing the first goal, I have give the second goal, so it just stop the previous goal and run the current goal which I have run. So when I press again, if I press the E and it rotates to face upward left. Okay, and when I press C, so it might rotate to the lower right. Okay, lower right. If I press it again and interrupt by pressing the key of E, F, so F will cancel the rotation midway. That's the cancel feature. Okay, while rotating I am pressing F. So see the log that okay, wait, I'll do it again. So goal cancelled. Okay, so it cancels if I press the F key. So that's all about the cancel. So if you send another goal before the first finishes, sometimes the server just stop that and current goal and takes that new one. Okay, now I'll check about which actions exist. Okay, just like with the topics and services, same way for the we'll inspect it for the actions. Okay, so there is some subscriber, publisher, service server, and the service clients. So this subscribers, we have turtle1 command well, which is turtle listens for movement commands. In publisher, this turtle1 pose, which is turtle publishes its position. Then in the service server we have the spawn reset, that turtle can send respond to service requests. So in the action server we have the turtle one rotate absolute. What it does, it rotates the turtle to face a specific direction, and which is an absolute orientation. Okay, so this we have an action here. So turtle can rotate to the specific angle. So this command gives us the capability map of the turtle sim node. It lists what topics it subscribes to, publishes, which services it provides, and also which actions it can perform. So here under the action server we have this one is, this means this turtle sim can respond to that actions and give feedback as it works. Let's explore about ROS2 info about the turtle, teleop turtle. So this teleop sends goals to this actions. Okay, so when we check a teleop turtle, we see the turtle one absolute. Okay, under the action client, this confirms teleop is the one sending the rotation commands and turtle sim is one executing them. Okay, simple. Then check the actions list. This lists every action currently active in the system. So right now we have only this one, okay, which is turtle one rotate absolute. Let's run this command. Okay, so this shows not only the action name but also its type in the brackets. This type is very important because we will need it whenever we send a goal to these actions. Okay, info, this tells us who is talking to whom. Teleop turtle is the client, okay, that sends the rotation goals. Turtle sim is server that executes those goals and sends feedback. So this is also important. Then ROS2 interface show. As we have discussed, actions has three parts. Okay, the goal, the result, and feedback. Same way, the theta here is the angle we want to rotate, which is the goal. The float 32 delta, that how far turtle actually rotated, and here it is remaining how much rotation is left while it's working. So it is separated by these three dashes. So this is used when we define the goal, result, and feedback. So this is also very important. Then we'll just rotate. Okay, we'll just let me copy this. Okay, yeah, so this shows goal accepted with a unique goal ID. Result delta is shown, and turtle will rotate in the window. Okay, let's run this. Okay, so here we are actually sending an action goal. We tell it to rotate the to 1.57, which is about 90 degrees. So the terminal confirms the goal was accepted, gives it a unique ID, and shows the final result once it's done. So with feedback also, Okay, so this shows feedback lines with remaining radians until complete. Okay, so this ends with result and status. Okay, by adding dash dash feedback, we see progress updates as the turtle rotates. So each feedback message tells us how many radians are left to turn. Once it's done, we get the result and the goals status. Okay, that's all for this video. We have explored about the actions, then list of actions, then how we can send the goal. So that's all for this video. If you find this helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more ROS2 contents like this. So if you have any queries, just feel free to ask me in the comments. Thank you so much. Keep exploring.